Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can possibly fix the issue with your Bluetooth not working for Toyota Vios. And this is the things that you can do. So first thing, you want to unpair the car from your phone and unpair the phone from your car. So when you're going to go to the top right on the settings on the Bluetooth, and right here you're going to have your car, you want to unpair it. This is the first thing. The second thing is that you want to do it also for your car. Another thing, this is something that I read on Reddit. Look at this. Fine. So if you search for AV RCP in your settings and set the version to 1.3 or 1.4, it could solve the issue. I tried and worked for a day, but then stopped working. And some people reported it was also work for them. So you just want to go and you look on YouTube. I don't know what kind of phone you have, but if you have Android phone, you can look on the settings and just search for. Look at here. I will show you. When you're gonna go to settings, you're gonna have Bluetooth and you're gonna write AV RCP version. And you can change it to 1.3 or 1.4. And let me down below in comments if it's going to actually work for you and maybe it's going to fix it. So thank you and have a great day and goodbye.